BJP has made explosive allegations following the attack on actor Allu Arjun's house, claiming that the assault was orchestrated by goons with links to the Congress party. The party labelled the attack as state-sponsored terrorism and stated that the actor was targeted because he refused to campaign for the Congress. Additionally, a photo has surfaced following a vandal with Congress leader Revanth Reddy, leading to a fresh political face-off. One of the accused, Reddy Srinivas, is a youth Congress president from Kodangal. Okay, big update coming in right now. Okay, you can see the picture as well, where you can see the vandal is seen with CM Reddy. Those are the pictures coming in. The BJP is saying there is a Congress link. There's a Congress link, and once again you see those pictures, the vandal seen with CM Revanth Reddy. This is a photo which is surfaced showing a vandal with Congress leader, with Revanth Reddy, leading to a fresh political face-off. One of the accused, Reddy Srinivas, is also associated with the Congress. So this is a big update coming in right now. Remember that a massive protest had taken outside the house of Allu Arjun, where we saw that some people even barged into his house, threw tomatoes, broke flower pots. These, they were seen raising slogans and a lot of protests, a lot of chaos had taken place. And the BJP is saying that, well, there is a big Congress link behind, I repeat, big Congress link behind the attack on actor Allu Arjun's house. And the BJP is saying that the assault was orchestrated by goons with links to the Congress party. We have Aneri joining us. Let's go to Aneri joining us. Aneri, you know, those pictures are showing us that the vandals definitely have a Congress link. Well, that is what the BJP is also alleging. If you could take our viewers through what these pictures are showing and what the BJP is alleging right now, because the pictures also show where clearly one of the vandals is seen with CM Revanth Reddy, and we also can't forget what happened when it comes to Allu Arjun's house being absolutely, you know, these vandals went inside, threw tomatoes and created chaos. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Well, that's right, Shivangi. What we have been seeing is that a big development. Well, sources have now confirmed us that the Reddy Srinivas, who is one of the accused, one of the persons who had led the protest here at Allu Arjun's residence on Sunday evening, he is the one who was behind this protest and vandalism at the residence of Allu Arjun, and he is said to be the Kodangal Youth Congress president. So basically, Kodangal is the constituency of Chief Minister Revanth Reddy, and the person who is behind this attack on Allu Arjun's residence, Reddy Srinivas, is said to be having links with the Congress party. So Reddy Srinivas is said to be the Kodangal Congress Youth President. So big development which we have been seeing, where we see that the Congress is having links with the protest that had taken place at Allu Arjun's residence. So sources have confirmed that Reddy Srinivas is the Youth Congress President from the Kodangal constituency, and Kodangal constituency is the Chief Minister's constituency, from where Revanth Reddy, the Chief Minister of Telangana, had contested elections, and Reddy Srinivas, who is behind this attack at Allu Arjun's residence, is said to be having links with the Congress party, and he is said to be the Youth Congress President of the Kodangal constituency. So very clearly we see that how there are links now being emerged of the protest that had taken place at Allu Arjun's residence, and also the person behind this attack at Allu Arjun's residence having links with the Congress party.
Well, Aneri, you know, we have to also go to what the CM Revanth Reddy had said in the assembly, where he had also said that Allu Arjun did not take police permission for that appearance that he made at the Sandhya Theatre. And in fact, he has also absolutely, you know, blamed the entire stampede on him, saying that he was the one who triggered it. At the same time, we have seen Allu Arjun say that this is nothing more than a plot to assassinate his character. But now with fresh links coming out on area, how can we expect the story to develop further?
Well, Well, Shivangi, definitely a lot of things which have been coming up over this issue, especially from the time when we see that since 4th of December, where we had seen the incident being taking place on the day of the premiere show of Pushpa 2, following which we had seen the arrest of Allu Arjun, and also after that how there has been a massive war of words between the Chief Minister Revanth Reddy, who spoke in this floor of the assembly, and later we also saw how Allu Arjun had come out. He had stated that he is definitely going to stand by the family members of Revati, and right now also we are right outside the residence of Allu Arjun. We'll just try and pan around and show you the visuals here, how there is also security which has been beefed up outside the residence, but also what we just got to know, we just also broke this information where we see that the 6 accused who were taken in custody yesterday for staging protests for vandalism at Allu Arjun's residence have been granted bail by the judge. So definitely a lot of developments that have been coming up, and now Reddy Srinivas, who is said to be one of the person who is behind this attack, is said to be having links with the Congress party. He is the Congress youth president from Kodangal constituency. So definitely we'll have to see what the Congress party will have to say over all of this incident and also over the attack which had taken place, because Revanth Reddy himself, the Chief Minister himself, had come out on social media. He had condemned the attack and the vandalism that had taken place at Allu Arjun's residence yesterday evening.
Right. Well, thank you, Aditi, for getting us those details. I will be coming back to you because, you know, this story is getting bigger and bigger by the day, where Allu Arjun has also made a statement. CM Revanth Reddy has made a statement, and a Congress link has come out. That's what the BJP is alleging. So we can expect more developments on the story.